Everyone, welcome back. In this video of array data structure, we are studying basic array. So, first let us know what is array. An array is the simplest type of non-primitive data structure. It is a collection of variables of the same type. This means that an array can store all integers, all floating point numbers, and all characters, but all of our same type. Let us understand how to declare an array. So let's take an example. Suppose we want to define an array which has 5 integer elements. Then the declaration will be int a 5. Now here int is a data type. Data type is the type of elements to be sorted in the array. A is the name of the array. Brackets tells the compiler that we are dealing with the array. And 5 here is the length of an array. It shows that we can store 5 elements in this array A. The first element of array has the index 0. So suppose we want to store the first value as 15, then the syntax is array name and index. As I am saying, the first element of array has the index 0 and the syntax is array name and then index in brackets. So let's write it. So a of 0 equal to 15. Similarly, a of 1 equal to 16. A of 2 equal to 17. A of 3 equal to 18. And the last element a of 4 equal to 19. Suppose we have to access a particular element in the array. So we use the statement array name index. I am taking an example to access the element number 3. So what I have to write is a of 2 because the index starts from 0. Here %d is a format specifier used for int. So what will be the output? The output will be 17. Let's check it also. Yes, the output 17. Now check what is the length of this array. So to find the length of the array, the formula is upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. Here upper limit is the last index of the array, that is 4, and lower limit is the first index of the array, that is 0, and plus 1 is mandatory. So the length of the array is upper limit minus lower limit plus 1, means 4 minus 0 plus 1. So the length is 5. Now to find the size of array in bytes, we have to multiply the length with the size of data type. Here we use the data type as int and int has size 2. So to find the size of array in bytes, the formula is length of array into size of data type. We get the length as 5 and the size of data type int is 2. So size of array in bytes equal to length of array into size of data type. Length of array comes out to be 5 and the size of int data type is 2. So, the size in array is equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10 bytes. With this, we covered the basics of array. This is all about basics of array. In our next video lecture, we will study operations on array. So stay tuned and enjoy learning. If you have any queries regarding this video, feel free to contact us through email, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, thanks for watching.